Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the one supplement that can boost your energy better than coffee. My name is Dr. Strong, and if you're new to the channel, I'm going to outline to you what's going on with the energy crisis, why so many people are fatigued. I'm going to be talking about the best ways to use this one supplement, and then also talking about how to maximize the benefit from it. So this one supplement can give you more sustained energy than coffee, improve your mental clarity, and help you power through your day, all without jitters, crashes, or afternoon slumps. In clinical studies, 89% of people reported significantly higher energy levels within just 2 weeks. So can you guess what it is? It's a B vitamin complex. And I know you've heard this before, but stick with me to the end because I'm going to share a few things with you that are key to getting the best benefit out of your B vitamins. So we're not talking about the cheap ones you get from the drugstore, but like I said, if you're new here, my name is Dr. Strong, and what I'm about to reveal to you could replace your coffee addiction with natural sustained energy. So welcome back, and if you caught my last video about how oatmeal is secretly destroying your energy, make sure to check that out. It's already helping thousands of people stabilize their blood sugar and energy levels. Today, I want to share the one supplement that can transform your energy naturally. If you're tired of depending on caffeine to function, experiencing afternoon crashes, or feeling like you just need stimulants to get through the day, this could be a game changer. So there is an energy crisis epidemic. Before I reveal this energy boosting supplement, let me paint a picture for you that probably sounds familiar. You wake up tired after 7 to 8 hours of sleep, you immediately reach for coffee just to feel human, and by 10 a.m. you need another cup. By 2 p.m. you're crashing and reaching for more caffeine or sugar. By the evening you're exhausted but somehow wired from all the stimulants, so you can't sleep well, and this cycle repeats. Here's what most people don't realize is that this isn't normal. You shouldn't need external stimulants to have energy. Your cells are designed to produce energy naturally and efficiently. When they can't, it's usually because they're missing the raw materials they need. Think of your cells like tiny factories. They need specific nutrients to produce energy. When those nutrients are missing, the factories slow down or shut down completely. No amount of coffee can fix a nutrient deficiency. It just masks the problem temporarily. So the energy supplement revealed is that the supplement can boost your energy better than coffee is a high quality B complex vitamin. But here's the key. It has to be the right form, the right dosage, and the right combination. B vitamins are literally the spark plugs of your cellular energy production. Every single cell in your body needs B vitamins to convert food into energy. Without them, your mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells, simply can't function properly. Here's what's shocking. Studies show that up to 40% of people are deficient in one or more B vitamins, even if they eat a healthy diet. And if you're stressed, drink alcohol, take medications, or eat processed foods, your B vitamin needs skyrocket. So all of these things that we're using to attack our depression, anxiety, or health issues can actually cause more deficiencies, which creates this vicious cycle where we're just getting sicker. So there are 8 energy boosting B vitamins. B1, thiamine, converts carbs to energy. B2, riboflavin, that is essential for cellular energy production. B3, niacin, supports mitochondrial function. B5, pantothenic acid, needed for energy metabolism. B6, pyridoxine, helps convert food to fuel. Number 7 is biotin, which is the critical for energy production pathways. B9 is folate, supports cellular energy processes. And then B12, which is cobalamin, and that's essential for mitochondrial energy production. When you're deficient in any of these, your energy production suffers dramatically. Imagine that you have a car factory and you have 100 windshields, you have 200 axles, but you only have one steering wheel. Well, how many cars can you make? You can only make one. And this is what happens is that you get a bottleneck if you're deficient in any of these B vitamins. Now, why do B vitamins beat coffee? So coffee's energy mechanism is that it blocks adenosine receptors in your brain and makes you feel less tired. It triggers adrenaline release, fight or flight response, and provides temporary stimulation, not actual energy. When it wears off, you crash because the underlying energy deficit is still there. Now, B vitamins' energy mechanism, they actually fuel your cellular energy production, support your mitochondria in making ATP, cellular energy currency, and address the root cause of fatigue, not just the symptoms. Provide sustained energy without crashes, and improve energy production capacity long term. Now, here's the key difference. Coffee is like using a whip to make a tired horse run faster. B vitamins are like feeding the horse proper nutrition so it naturally has energy to run. One is temporary stimulation and the other is actual energy production. Now, the B vitamin deficiency epidemic. Why are so many people B vitamin deficient? Several factors have created a perfect storm. Factor one is that depleted soil. Modern farming has stripped the nutrients from our soil. And the spinach your grandmother ate had 3 times more B vitamins than today's spinach. Factor number 2 is food processing. Processing removes B vitamins from foods. White bread, white rice, and processed foods are stripped of their natural B vitamins. Factor number 3 is stress. Chronic stress burns through B vitamins rapidly. And in today's world, I know that everybody is stressed, and I am too, but you have to fuel in order to make sure that this doesn't catch up with you. Your adrenal glands need massive amounts of B vitamins to produce stress hormones. Factor number 4 is medications like birth control pills, acid blockers, diabetes medications, and many others deplete B vitamins. Factor number 5 is alcohol. Even moderate alcohol consumption depletes B vitamins, especially B1, B6, and folate. Digestive issues. If your gut isn't healthy, you can't absorb B vitamins properly, even if you're eating foods that contain them. And then factor number 7 is age. As we age, our ability to absorb B vitamins decreases, especially B12. This is why even people eating healthy diets can be severely vitamin B deficient. Now, the right B complex formula. Not all B complex supplements are created equal. Most drugstore versions are virtually useless. Here's what you need to look for. The right forms are B1 benfotiamine, not thiamine hydrochloride, B2 riboflavin, B5 phosphate, not regular riboflavin, and then B6 pyridoxal 5-phosphate, or P5P, not pyridoxine hydrochloride, and then B9 methylfolate, not folic acid, and B12 methylcobalamin, not cyanocobalamin. Okay? Now, why these forms matter is that cheap B vitamins use synthetic forms that your body has to convert to the active forms. This is where you get into people with MTHFR issues. They can't put a methyl group onto those B vitamins and they can't use them. Many people can't make these conversions efficiently, so they get little benefit. Active forms bypass this process and this problem and work immediately. So the right dosages. Most B complex supplements contain ridiculously low doses, often just the RDA, which is the minimum to prevent deficiency diseases, not optimize energy. So there's a difference between just getting the baseline, getting kind of what you need to get by, and then optimizing your energy pathways. Therapeutic dosages for energy. B1 is 25 to 100 milligrams. B2, 25 to 50, B3, 50 to 100, B5, 50 to 250, B6, 25 to 50, B7, 300 to 1,000, B9, 400 to 800, and B12, 500 to 1,000. Now here are quality markers. Third-party tested for purity, no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives, made in GMP certified facilities, and contain active bioavailable forms. Now, here's where we're going to talk about the energy transformation timeline. When you start taking a high-quality B complex, here's what you can expect. Days 1 through 3, initial absorption, your body starts absorbing and utilizing the B vitamins. You might notice slightly better sleep quality. Some people feel a subtle energy improvement. Days 4 through 7 is cellular energy ramp up. Your mitochondria start producing more ATP, mental clarity begins to improve, and you might need less coffee to feel alert. Week number 2 is noticeable energy boost. Sustainable energy throughout the day, less afternoon fatigue, and better stress tolerance, improved mood, and motivation. Week 3 through 4, energy optimization. Consistent, stable energy levels, reduced dependence on caffeine, better exercise performance, and improved sleep quality. Month 2 through 3, full benefits. So your cellular energy production is optimized, natural energy that doesn't require stimulants, and better stress resilience. and also enhance mental performance. The key is consistency. B vitamins work by building it up in your system and optimizing your cellular energy production over time. Now, how do you maximize B vitamin absorption? To get maximum energy benefits from B vitamins, what you have to do is follow these strategies. Timing, take with breakfast for all day energy. B vitamins can be energizing, so avoid taking them late in the day. I've seen this with my supplement programs and why we've changed them to just first in the morning. Take with food to improve absorption and reduce stomach upset. Synergistic nutrients, which means they work together with B vitamins, are magnesium, which is required for B vitamin utilization, vitamin C, which enhances B vitamin absorption, probiotics, healthy gut bacteria actually produce some B vitamins. What you want to avoid is don't take with coffee. Caffeine can interfere with absorption. Avoid alcohol when starting B vitamins. It depletes them. This is how people get alcoholic-induced neuropathy. And don't take on an empty stomach if you have a sensitive stomach. Lifestyle factors. Manage stress. Stress burns through B vitamins rapidly. Get adequate sleep. B vitamins work better when you're well rested. And then stay hydrated. B vitamins are water soluble. So signs it's working: steady energy without stimulants, better mood and motivation, improved mental clarity, less afternoon fatigue, and better stress tolerance. When B vitamins aren't enough, this is something that is key and you really need to identify. While B vitamins are incredibly powerful for energy, sometimes you need additional support. If you still feel tired after 4 to 6 weeks, get comprehensive blood work to check for other deficiencies. This is where anemias come into play. If you're chronically tired, you feel like you're doing everything, get checked for anemia. Consider iron, vitamin D, or thyroid issues. Address underlying health conditions like sleep apnea or chronic infections. And then additional energy supporters like CoQ10, especially if you're on a statin, supports mitochondrial energy production. Magnesium, required for over 300 energy producing reactions. Iron, needed for oxygen to transport to cells. And then vitamin D deficiencies. This can cause fatigue in 80% of people. Now, root cause considerations can be poor sleep quality, chronic stress, gut health issues affecting absorption. See this one a lot. Hidden infections or inflammation, and blood sugar instability. B vitamins are often the missing piece, but sometimes you need a comprehensive approach to fully restore your energy. Remember that your body is designed to have natural sustained energy. If you're constantly tired and dependent on stimulants, you're missing key nutrients. And B vitamins are often the biggest missing piece. Don't let another day go by running on empty when you could be running on natural cellular energy. My name is Dr. Strong, and I'll see you in the next video where I'm going to reveal the one mineral deficiency that makes you tired, anxious, and unable to sleep. If you enjoy this video, please like the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Like I said, I'm going to be producing a lot more content like this to do as much education to help as many people as possible overcome their chronic health conditions. And if that's somebody or if that sounds like something you're interested in, please share this with your family or friends, somebody who's struggling. I try to make as concise information as I can. There is a survey in the link in the description. It's just called Dr. Strong's Health and Wellness Survey. If you would fill that out, that would really help me because it helps me create more targeted information for you, my viewer, so that we can get you the best help possible. So thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you all.